Hi there, I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss about meta ad full funnel tracking with GoHighLevel CRM and GTM. So let's get started. To set up the full funnel tracking, mainly we need a website like landing page, then we need Google Tag Manager, then we need GoHighLevel CRM, that is the focus thing, then Meta Pixel. So I have everything. This is the landing page built with GoHighLevel. This is the CRM. I have everything here. So this site built with here, like it's a funnel. Then this is the Google Tag Manager, and we will track this from submission, as well as we also have a booking system, so we will also track the booking. Then we will send the data to GoHighLevel, this pixel. So let me start. First of all, we need to set up this GTM on the landing page. Then we can go ahead. So I have already set up it. I think I already have it. Yeah, this one I have it. So I can preview and check it. So let me preview. Okay, just copy the page URL, then paste it here, then correct. Okay, it is corrected. It means that the GTM is working here. Now we need to create a listener code to track the from submission as well as the booking. I already have it. This is the listener code that will capture from submission as well as the booking. So let me test it, as it is already running here. So I can test it. It is already running here. First of all, I want to test the from submission. Let me do it. Let me fix the phone number and submit. Okay, it is capturing the from submission data as well as it is sending the user data to send enhanced conversion data. Like, so we can enable enhanced conversion using those data like phone number, email, first name, last name, source, everything here. Then we can also test the booking. So let me schedule. It's loading. Okay, we can just pick random data here. So let me fix the phone number again. Now test it, confirm. Now I should get booking. So I'm getting booking in here. I also have the same type of data to send enhanced conversion. So we have customer ID, full name, first name, last name, email, country, source, everything. So we can send the user data. So data layer is working, and GTM is also working. Now we need to set up meta pixel tag to send the data from this landing page to the meta pixel. I will use this pixel. So let me just copy the pixel ID. Okay, this is the dataset ID that we will use. Now we need to create meta pixel tag. I already have it, this one, but let me test another one that create by Stape. It's called Facebook pixel by Stape. So I did. Now we need to add the meta pixel ID. I will create a variable for it. So meta pixel ID is constant variable, so constant, then push, then save it. Nice. Now we need to create the trigger. It will fire on all pages. Now we need to send 2 or 3 parameter to increase the event masculinity. I will send ABP, ABC, then also I will send the event ID for the deduplication. So I have it or not, let me check. I don't have it, so I need to create it. We need a template, event ID, then let me search event ID. Okay, we need to search on event template gallery, unique event ID already added. Okay, so we can use. Okay, now we need to create 2 variable for FBP and FBC. Actually FBP browser ID and FBC is click ID. So we can create it. Let me check I already have it or not. I don't have it, so I can create it. First one is FBP, that is browser ID. It is first party cookie underscore FBP. Save it. Now FBC, that is click ID, that is FBC. The first party cookie again, FBC. Nice, save it. Now we have ABC, ABP, we have event ID, all good. The event name is page view, so all good. Now we can save it, that is meta pixel config. Just save it. Okay, now we need to create 2 extra event, one for from submission, one for the book. Let me create it. So copy, then just meta pixel lead. Lead means the from submission, the lead event. So we need to create a trigger with this one. GoHighLevel from submission. Now save it. This is a custom event. Save it. But we can send some parameter to increase event mesh quality. I will send all the data that I already have it. Okay. So customer ID, first of all I will create first name, last name, email. Okay, so first name, last name, email, phone number, then I think I have country data, first name, last name, email, country, source, phone. Okay, I don't have anything else. Now we need to create variable for first name, last name, email, phone number and country. Let me do it. It is the data layer variable. So data layer variable, that is first name, we can create easily using this plugin. It is input, then first name, then last name, data layer variable, same. Okay, this is the last name, same here. So input dot last name here. Okay, now it is email, same data layer variable, just capture from here. It is email, input.email. I already have email. Let me check the phone. I already have it on. I already have the phone. Then country. So let me create for the country. Country. Data name variable. Then same for the yeah, this one country. Now paste it here. Then save it. So we are sending user provided data to increase the event match quality. Okay. Now save it. And maybe we can also send hash data. I will show it later maybe. Right now, let me send the plain data. So save it and okay, all good, save. Nice. Now we also need a event for the booking. So let me just copy it. Then it is schedule event. Schedule. This is for booking. Just we need to change the trigger and user provided data variable will be same. So GoHighLevel booking. Save it. Rest of the thing will same. Okay. Now we have config. We have booking. We have the lead. Good. Now we are sending data from the pixel, and we also need to send the data for the conversion API. I will send it later. Facebook pixel setup already done. Now we need to set up the conversion API. To set up conversion API, you need a server. The server name is Stape server. I will use this Stape server. So basically we need to create a container on the Stape as well as a container on the GTM. So let me do it. I will create a server container. It will be GoHighLevel server. GoHighLevel server and create. Okay, now we need to manually add it on the steps. Let me create one. GCL server, edit. Now just create. Then tree I want to use. Then I need to add the domain. I mean the tracking server on the GTM. So mainly go to the admin. Then container setting, add the domain here. This is the domain, the tracking URL. Okay. Now we need to go back to the web container again and send the data from the web container to the server container first. Then from the server container we will send the data to conversion API. So we need step data type, send the data. So I will create it. Right now let me search data tag, that is step data type, add page view. It will work all pages. Then DT config, data tag config to send the data to GTM server, and we will use this URL here. This is the step server container URL. User data. Okay, I will just send FBP and FBC for this, but for another event we will send user provided data like user data. So it is FBP, FBC, click ID, then rest of the thing is okay. Event is page view, then save it. I also need to send the event ID because I want to deduplicate. So let me send also the event ID. Event ID. Yeah, event ID. Now save it. Perfect. Now we can just copy the tag for the booking and lead. So this is data tag lead. Then event will be generated lead based on the GA4 lead, GA4 event actually. So event, yeah. Okay. Let me start with first name, last name, and email. The first name, last name, email, phone number, country. So we have first name, we have last name, we have email. Maybe I use this one. Yeah. Then we have phone, we have country. Good. Now we can change the trigger. It will be from submission. Then okay, all good. Save it. Now we need to copy it again. Booking. It will be booking. Then event will be schedule. Maybe we can use schedule. Yeah. Save it. Okay, all good. Now we can test the event. It is sending to the server or not, as well as it is sending data to the metapixel or not. So let me preview. Before doing the preview, we need to add the client because we are not using the standard client. We are using the customized client, so we need to add the client. So basically we need to go to template, then client template, then import it. I already have it. So in here I think I have it. Yeah, this is the template that we're gonna use. So save it, then add the client here. There's this one. Then I think all is good. Just data client. Save it. Okay. Now we can preview and we can test it. Okay, close the preview from the browser side. Then also go to the test event here. Then preview again from here. Now we should get data on the GTM preview on server as well as pixel data on the test event. Okay, we are getting page. Now we can from submit. Okay, now we can also booking. We should get all the data. So here generate lead, schedule. Then in here I am getting lead, schedule, page view, all good. We are getting the data in here as well as on the pixel. Now we can use this data to send the conversion API. So let me create that for the conversion API. The conversion API by step. I think we will overwrite here. Then yeah, we can anything manually. So API token we need. First of all, let me create variable for the API token. Meta pixel access token. This is constant variable. We will get it on the setting. Generate access token. Yeah, good. Now we can just paste it here. Then meta pixel ID. Pixel ID. It is constant same. We will get the ID here. This one the ID. Yeah, and save it. Now we will need the test ID. We can also create variable for the test ID. Meta pixel test ID. It is also constant. Save it. Now the event displays view all good. It will work all pages. Then meta conversion API, meta CAPI config we can just use. Save it. Now same thing, we need to copy the tag for the lead and the booking. All good. This is the lead. Okay. This time I need to create custom event for the lead. So it is lead event. We send generate lead. So you will use generate lead. Save it. Now we also need to send user data, like phone number, first name, last name. So first name, last name, email, phone number and country. Phone, then country. Now we can get the data from here. Then we can create it. Last name. Actually it is the event data. Okay. So we can create variable first name, event data. No, then first, then last name, event data again. Then we need the email. We will use email, same user data, email address. Then we need the phone number. So I need to fix the variable to send the phone. Okay. Here basically I missed something here. It will be inputs.phone. Now if I test it again, I will get the data preview. And now if I check the data here, I should get the phone. Yeah, I'm getting phone number now. So same phone, that is event data, phone number. Now we need the country. Just create the variable for country. That is event data, then country. Okay, now we can send the event, that is booking. We are sending the lead event. Okay, nice. So lead event, then it is lead. Yeah, all good. And we are also sending the event ID, right? Let me check it. Yeah, we are sending event ID. I need to create it. Last time I forgot it. So event ID, event data, event ID. Save it. Now all good. Save it now. And we also need to link the event ID on the config tag. So just event ID here. Event ID, save it. Now we also need to create a tag for the booking. So copy it. Then this is booking schedule. Rest of the thing will be same. Just need to create a new tag. I can just copy the name from here, create a new custom event, and it is booking schedule. Save it. Now save. Now we can preview, and now we are able to test Meta Pixel and Conversion API both. And right now we are just doing the online conversion. Okay. Then after completing the online conversion, we will also do the offline conversion. Let me test the online conversion, Meta Pixel and Conversion API. Then preview from here also. Now we should get data here from browser as well as the server. Okay, page view. Nice. Now we can just submit the form. Yes, submit it. We are getting submit application, then lead form. Okay. Actually we are sending lead, but this is our main event. Okay, it is coming here as well as it is coming from server, and deduplication is working. Great. Now we can test the booking. Okay, we should get schedule event. Schedule is coming. Yeah, now we should get it also here. But if you check it here, we are getting two lead generated. Okay, we can exclude it, no problem at all. But I am not excluding right now because it is already taking so much time. Lead event, we are getting schedule event as well as it is deduplicating. So right now I hope you got it. Now the Meta Pixel and Conversion API is working for online conversion. Okay, so we cover Meta Pixel Conversion API for book and schedule event. Later I will also show you how to set up the offline conversion with the GoHighLevel CRM. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.